We have a long journey behind us. So far, we have had an initial look at Story Map and Google Maps, and some snippets of what can be achieved with these tools. Beyond the class, I hope that you will remain curious and keep using them and exploring their possibilities for your work, for your other courses, or for whatever you like. Now we are going to go deeper and explore more advanced cartography, spatial data analysis, and in general, access and manipulate how to manipulate geographic files. This is just tasting of what can be done in other classes that are more dedicated to to the use of GIS platforms. If some of you is interested, I truly recommend you to consider registering into a fundamentals of GIS class. However, for the purpose, this is fine. Using the tools that we're going to check today is easier to use and nothing needs to be installed. Everything works in the cloud. But keep in mind that almost all the computers in campus have some GIS software installed. Mostly of them have ArcGIS, and in some cases QGIS, which is just an open source, the one that I use. So you're welcome to experiment with it, but for the moment, for the purpose, what we're going to do this week is not necessary. So what we're going to do is to register into ESRI's Living Atlas, following the link here. You need to do, because we are going to use the school account, add a temple here when it asks for you to register, and do the same normal procedure as usual, for the login, and it should end in a screen like this. As you see, my username is here. It will say welcome to ArcGIS Online. You even recognize the photo, and is because, of course, Temple has an agreement with ESRI as a vendor, as a provider of software. So this is some of the access that we have. Once you're inside of it, you can go to your name here, and it will show some additional details. And if it's the first time that you you log in, go to this menu here with the 9 points, and then go to Living Atlas. If not, if you're like coming again to the Living Atlas, just follow the link and then click here on Browse, and it will show you what we have here. So now here, the thing with Living Atlas is that it allows more tools, more cartography, other representations of the data and of the maps, and this is what we're going to do this time. The first thing is to choose a base map, which is what comes in the background, and there are many of them, but for now we are going to use the human geography map. It will look like this, and then you will follow the instructions and replicate using the Portland data, create a map and follow these steps. When we're done with this, and this is the work for this week, next week we are going to repeat the work, but each one of your assigned series. I think it's quite straightforward. Please, if you have questions, ask me. This time I also, because I know that on Mondays, sometimes some of you wait to work on this assignment on the weekend, so sometimes on Mondays is just to ask questions. So from now on, I will allow you can submit your work on Tuesdays. So good luck, and again, remember my office hours are Wednesdays in the mornings, or if you can't make it, we can arrange we can set an arrangement and an appointment. Have a lot of fun here, and see you.